Imagine standing at the edge of a gold mine but not picking up a single coin. Just walking, others walk away with it. That's exactly what's happening in Europe right now with artificial intelligence. While the rest of the world is sprinting ahead, many European businesses are still wondering if AI is worth the investment. Meanwhile, AI is on the track add $15 trillion to a global economy by 2030. The question is, will Europe claim its share or get left behind? Hi, I am Mehul Brahmabhat, CEO and founder of Matrix Bricks. I have worked with the brands across industries, helping them transform through a digital and AI-driven solutions. And today, I want to talk about what's really holding Europe back from seizing this once-in-a-generation opportunity and what we can do about it. Over the years, I have helped companies shift from experimenting with AI to actually integrating it into a business processes, where it drives measurable growth. I have seen where companies fail, where they scale, and why timing is everything when it comes to a tech adoption. The global AI boom, $1 trillion shift. Let's start with the opportunity. According to PwC, AI could add $15 trillion to the global economy by 2030. Europe has the talent, it has the research ecosystem, it has the robust regulations. But what it doesn't yet have at scale is execution. Where AI is already driving value, here is how AI is already transforming European industries. Manufacturing. Predictive maintenance and automated quality control are cutting downtime and saving millions. Retail. Hyper-personalized customers' journey, real-time pricing and AI-driven product recommendations. Healthcare. Digital SOPs, smarter hospital workflows, digital twins for a resources optimization, AI-backed compliance. Finance. Real-time fraud detection, risk modeling and smarter trading systems. Logistics. AI is making supply chain faster, learner and more resilient with the route optimization and demand forecasting. If this is a current impact, imagine the compounding effect over the next 5 years. So why isn't everyone doing it yet? Despite the upside and adoption remains slower than it should be, here is what's getting in the way. Lack of AI-ready talent, especially in a data engineering and AI development roles. Limited AI awareness in a traditional sectors. Many leaders still don't know how and or where to start. Upfront cost fear. Many still sees AI as a costly risk, not a long-term investment. Privacy and ethical concerns, especially strong in Europe due to strict data regulations. What can businesses do now? Here is what forward-thinking businesses are doing and what you should consider. Start with education. AI literacy isn't just for tech teams, it's for everyone. Partner with AI innovators, collaborate with startups, research centers, and universities. Leverage their expertise. Think beyond pilots. Don't keep AI on the sideline. Make it part of your operational DNA. Build ethical AI framework. Align your AI strategy with EU digital and data legislation early on. AI adoption isn't about becoming a tech company. It's about staying relevant in a tech-first world. So, let me ask you, what's the one thing stopping your business from adopting AI today? Is it talent, cost, or clarity? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Let's make this conversation because this future of Europe economy depends on how we respond now. Thanks for watching. If you found this valuable, share this with someone who's still on the fence about AI. See you in my next video.